Unlock your dream beauty haul and pay in installments with Clearpay on Sephora. Ready to get your hands on that must-have foundation or that luxurious serum? Let's do it the smart way with Clearpay on Sephora first. Head over to Sephora.com or open the Sephora app on your device. Browse your favorite makeup, skincare, or fragrance and add your desired items to your Sephora bag. Once you've finished shopping and are ready to check out, you'll see your order summary with the total amount. Now for the magic. At the checkout, look for the payment options. You'll see Clearpay listed as a way to pay for your purchase. Simply select Clearpay as your payment method. Clearpay will then present you with a simple payment plan. This usually means paying for your order in for manageable installments. The first installment is typically due at the time of purchase. You'll then see a clear breakdown of your payment schedule. Clearpay will automatically take the remaining payments every 2 weeks directly from the card you use. And that's it. You can now enjoy your fabulous new beauty products immediately. Knowing you've spread the cost with Clearpay, it's that easy to get the Sephora items you love now and pay over time. Happy shopping!